My name is Nathaniel Trout. I'm one of the technicians for Locksmith Company. So we went with the SureFi kit because we had separate buildings, 6 separate buildings, locations that we needed tied to the same place, and not every building had internet. And so it just made it easier. So we have one spot, and then you can tie it into some power nearby, and then also and you connect it to the other side. So it made it a lot easier. Sure. Yeah, we have a couple buildings across the road, and so we were curious to see how far it goes. It seemed to connect fine. So we have a strike, just connect it straight to a strike, and then the panel right next to it, and we tie it in power to the nearby outlet. Yeah, so this was as simple as it gets. I mean, all I had to do was plug in, just basically connect the wires to the reader for the relays and for the data wires, and then I connected the relay straight to the strike, and then I used the power from the power supply that comes with this kit to bridge the power to the strike. And so basically this system, when triggered, connects the power, draws from the power supply in here, triggers the strike. But everything else should be online.
This signal actually went out from a basement control room out to parking areas surrounded by masonry brick.
Pretty easy to work with.
After visiting the site, we realized they were in great need of our new solar kit. Their pool area gate had no power, and finally an electrician had come to run it out to the gate. Had they had a SureFi solar kit, this could have been done weeks ago.